Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Dems, Malika, and Malia. Here in a video for you guys. Say hi guys. Say hi. Hi. They felt like vlogging guys. As you can see, Malika is in a very good mood. And Malia is turning into one big vlogger. But anyways guys. Hey guys. Welcome back to another video. I don't know it's Dems.
I'm not.
Another video for you guys today. Today we're just on the road. It's the weekend, finally. Feels like it was a long week.
It was.
It was a long week, right?
Yep.
One of the last videos that we did on our channel, guys, was when Malika was doing her surgery. I just want to say enough thank yous.
Thank you guys
for all of the encouraging words of support that you guys dropped in the comment section underneath that video. I really appreciate it, guys. It was not an easy thing for us to see our child going on and need surgery, no matter how minor it is. But you guys kind of made it a little bit more bearable. So thank you guys always for the love and for the support. Happy to say that Malika is doing good right now. Still recovering somewhat, but she's very energetic. She's been energetic probably the next day, the next day after surgery. So it didn't keep her down long, but of course it's healing, so she have pretty much of a bad breath right now, and also like we just have to be very careful because it might rupture, right? So and all that's an update on how Malika is doing. How are we doing? How are you doing, babes?
Good.
How was your week?
Long and boring.
Long and boring?
Long and boring.
So I'm just dropping Nats right now to the bank. She's going in to transact some big people mature business. Drop her off and then pick her up back. What's up, babes?
Oh, need my purse.
Yeah, have your ID? Are we still have your ID?
No, don't.
But I always have Nat's ID in my wallet. You know what thing, because wallet easier to carry than purse. So I always have our wallet in my wallet. I always have our card in my wallet. With that being said, guys, just drop Nats at the bank. Instead of waiting in the parking lot with the two kids, I realized that the past couple of days my back indicator lights on both sides has been not working, so I'm just gonna go to the almost mechanic shop and get them sorted out. We was trying to change it on our own, Shadeen and I, but we couldn't take out the light because we need a specific tool, but apparently we didn't have. So because of that, we weren't able to get it out. So to the shop I go. was quick and easy, guys. Big up to Jiffy Lube, by the way. That's the name of the place. Very, very, very affordable shop that you can get your vehicle like maintenance done, changing of your engine oil, your fluids, you know, basic mechanic and stuff like that. Wonderful place, you understand? Big them up every time. How much does something like that cost me? Like, it depends, right? Now Jiffy Lube normal just charge you for the bulb. But I brought my own bulb because, as I said, we were trying to change it on our own. So I just gave the guys a tip, right? So they don't really charge for just change your light and stuff like that. But I ended up just giving them a tip because, man, I say, yo, you know, it takes labor. It takes labor to do it, so bust them, give them a thing. On my way back to the bank now. So far not ceased with that process. Just in case you guys are wondering if Malika alright. We're just here waiting on our mother. Hey, leave it alone. It's New Year's Eve and we're freezing.
It's still a better weather today.
It's okay, I can see you, that's what matters. Happy New Year, Canada. Oh, it's already New Year's in the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're already knocked out.
Yeah.
People are done with their booze.
Oh man, we're just getting started.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey Joshua, what are you, man? What are you supposed to be? What is that?
I don't know. I'm supposed to be a lion, but my collar seems like I'm a chicken.
Bro, that's not even like a...
It doesn't look like a lion. I look like a chicken.
You're like a bird, bro.
My lessons with my friend Danny here. He comes out every morning. Like, this is my second morning, Sunday morning, and he's been teaching me some little tips about driving. So I'm really grateful for Danny.
Even in the fog.
Even in the fog. It's not that cold though, but it's even in the fog, and he's here, and I'm driving his truck, and I'm like, I think I wanna. Guys, drop comment in the comment section telling Demar to buy me a truck. Oh, you can use it. Oh, that's a fun video. This way. Guys, I'm doing a donut.
Yeah.
Whoa! I like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Whoa. Guys, my driving lessons. And this is Danny, my friend, teaching me how to drive. Yes, guys. I'm driving a truck.
Doing illegal donuts in a parking lot right now. Shh.
Nothing is illegal here. We're not illegal. So here. Oh my god. swapping out your wheels. I'm gonna stop swapping out your wheels. Oh, this one. Rich alive.
You like catch your atlas? Catch your atlas. Catch your atlas.
Father Depot. See, you can catch Hi.